Hello children, how are you all? Hopefully you people are safe and sound and taking care of yourself. Today the topic of my presentation is solar system. I'm sure a lot of students might be very excited about this topic as so many of you wants to become an astronaut. So quickly let's move on to the first slide and see what we have in it. Solar system. Kids, isn't it a beautiful picture of a solar system? Kids, this is how a planets of solar system looks like. Let's move on to the next slide and read in detail what solar system is. So basically children, solar system consists of the sun and everything that orbits around it, or you can say revolve or rotate around it. Kids, a solar system consists of 8 planets and every planet has their own moon. Some have one moon, some have more than one moon, and some have no moon in it. These are not the only things that present in our solar system. We have dwarf planet as well. Dwarf planet means small planets. And uncountable asteroids and icy objects are also there in our solar system. Kids, you also need to know that the whole solar system solely depends on the sun for light. Yes, it is the only luminous star in the solar system that gives light to all other planets and stars. Okay kids? Now let's talk about planets. So anything that orbit around the sun is called planet. The planet is divided into two groups, kids. Inner planet and outer planet. Inner planets are those planets that are closest to the sun, and outer planets are those planets who are not so closest to the sun. Those are Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune. They are also called gas giant planets because these planets are made up of gases. Children, these are the names of planets in our solar system. The first one is Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, then Mars, then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are all 8 planets in our solar system. Now let's move on and read about planets and stars in detail. The Sun. Children, always remember that sun is a star, it is not a planet. So children, it is the center of the solar system. Sun is very huge and hollow. It is like a hot ball. Okay? And you know kids, we can fit over 1 million earth into the sun. And the sun diameter is about 110 times wider than the earth. One more fact that you need to know kids, that the light of the sun reaches the earth in 8 minutes. Understood kids? Children, the first planet we are going to discuss about is Mercury. As you can see in this picture, this is how Mercury looks like. So press enter now to read all facts about the Mercury. So children, this is all about planet Mercury. Let me tell you about it, that Mercury is the planet that is closest to the sun. It has no moon and it is the smallest planet of the solar system. And kids, it is a Earth-like planet. It is made up of rocks and metals, but there is no air on Mercury. Right? A Mercury takes 88 days to orbit the sun or revolve around the sun. Alright kids, now moving on to the next slide. The second planet that we are going to discuss about is planet Venus. So press enter to read all the facts. So children, planet Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. It is very small and it is very rocky. Venus also called Earth's sister because it has an active surface, including mountains and volcanoes. Venus also does not have any moon. This planet is hot and deadly, that is why people don't live over there. And it takes about 225 days to orbit the sun. Alright kids, and it is 67 million miles away from the sun. Now let's move on to the next slide. So now kids, we are going to read about Earth. This is the planet where we live kids. We know a lot about it, but there are many more things that we need to know. So let's find out. So kids, Earth is the third planet from the sun. it is the fifth largest planet of the solar system. Kids, kids, it is also only known planet in the solar system that contain free atmospheric oxygen and largest amount of water and life. It has a perfect weather and temperature to keep alive, right? And kids, it takes 365 days to complete one round around the sun. And the earth is 93 million miles away from the sun and it has only one moon. Okay, kids? So kids, now we are going to talk about the planet Mars. Let's move on to the next slide and see what we have in it. Kids, Mars is also known as red planet because of a mineral called iron oxide that is very common on its surface. Its atmosphere is very thin. Mars has two moons, kids. Mars is smaller than Earth. It takes 687 days to orbit around the sun and it is 142 million miles away from the sun, kids. Okay, now let's move on to the next slide. Now children, next planet which I am going to explain is Jupiter. It is the giant planet of solar system. Press enter to read the facts about it. Children, as I have told you that it is the giant planet, it means it is biggest in all. Right? It is also the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. Okay kids, the weather of Jupiter is stormy and full of lightning and thunder. And it takes 4,331 days to orbit the sun and revolve around the sun. And children, the Jupiter has 49 big moons and many small moons in it. A Jupiter has red spot in it which is a storm, giant storm. Alright kids? Now we are going to read about Saturn. It is called ring planet because it has ring around it. Now let's read the facts about Saturn. Children, Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun. It is shaped like a flattened ball. Okay, it is the second largest planet but very light. And it has 52 moons in it. Kids, astronaut doesn't know much about the ring that Saturn have around it. Sometimes the ring disappears and sometimes it start appearing. They don't actually go, but when Saturn axis is tilted, it look like disappeared. Okay kids, and it is 888 million miles away from the sun and the largest moon on the Saturn is called Titan. Okay kids? Now children, we are going to discuss about the planet Uranus. Now let's move on and read some facts about planet Uranus. Planet Uranus. Children, it is the seventh planet from the sun. Its color is bright bluish green which it gets from the methane in its atmosphere. You know kid, it is the coldest planet on the solar system and the atmosphere of Uranus is icy. Uranus has 27 moons, and one more interesting fact that you need to know about Uranus, that it is the second least dense planet in the solar system. This means that this planet can easily float in the pool. Interesting? And one more surprising fact about Uranus is that you can see this planet from your eyes without a telescope. You just need to make sure that the sky is extremely dark. There should be no light pollution and would have to know that where exactly to look. Kids, now I'm going to explain you about planet Neptune. Planet Neptune is on the 8th number in the solar system and it is most farthest from the sun. It is blue in color. So let's go and read more facts about planet Neptune in the next slide. Planet Neptune. Kids, as I have told you that this is the farthest planet of the solar system, but when it comes to size, it is 17 times heavier than the Earth and it is a little bit heavier than Uranus as well. Neptune atmosphere, children, is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium, but it also contains a small amount of methane which gives blue color to this planet. Children, Neptune is the most distant planet, as I have told you. Just because it is very far away from the sun, very less light reaches towards it, which makes it a coldest planet. Alright, we cannot live on Neptune, children, because it does not have any solid surface. And it is the most windiest planet on the solar system. It has 13 moons and only once astronauts were able to reach on its moons. Okay kids? Children, here is a small quiz for you people. If you have understood all the instructions and all the explanation which I have given you, you will be able to give the answer in no time. So the first question, I'm going to read it for you. You need to find out the answer yourself. Okay? Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? Option number A is Mercury, number B Mars, and number C Neptune. And question number 2 is, which planet is similar size to the Earth? Uranus, Saturn, or Venus? Try to find out the answers on your own. Let's move on to the last slide of the presentation. So here are 2 more questions for you people. You need to find out the answers yourself. The questions are very easy. I'm sure you will be able to find out the answers. Question number 1 over here is, how many moons are there on Mars planet? Option A is 8, then B is 0, and then C is 2. And then question number 2 is, which planet has 7 flat rings? Sun, Saturn, or Earth? These are very simple questions. I'm sure if you have understood the explanation and you have read all the facts carefully, you will be able to find the answers. Children, I'll be back with another presentation very soon. Till then, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.